Okay, next destination ulit. Oh. Dito kami natulog. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. Okay, next. Ano ba na? Biyahe ulit. Okay, go na. Oh, Kapsi. Ah, Clover. Itong si Clover talaga, oh. Yun. Okay, biyahe ulit. Okay, okay. See you later, Kapsi. Oh, Clover. Okay.
Hey, let's go in the car now.
Okay. Go. Ito mga ang daming bagahe, parang ano, babakasyon. Okay. Biyahe ulit.
Tinudi kayo kumikita.
Next ba na? Hintay ka rin kumatang tayo pagkarapos ng tayon. Okay. Wow, Timbertowns. Okay. Oh, sige raw.
Did you have a good night's sleep?
Kapse, let's go.
I slept so early. I told them to wake me up. They did not. So I slept through the whole night.
Bro, I thought you didn't want to do anymore because you were like,
I said, wake me up, guys.
no.
I
Do
did.
you not remember when you woke up again and then you were like, if you want to watch it here, I'm tired.
Oh, I
woke up and
remember
said
now. I remember.
But it's nice.
Well, I love how he's like, okay, that's it. Pepsi, you want to stick your head out?
Bro, did I not pack my highlighter?
Bibili na ng almusal.
Oh, mine's in the bag.
Whatever.
Oh, no, it's right here.
I'm just gonna use it. Thanks, baby. You're actually my lifesaver for today.
Northeast. Meron lang sa diyan yan.
Bro, why'd I pack my brush?
Okay, bili na lang ako.
Yeah, the
Okay.
doggies.
Bili na lang ako.
Yeah,
Nag-drive through damot.
I guess we're doing that too.
Yan, kuha tilatan na, mabibiit.
Drive through?
Apang kailatan pa na makita dyan, alam nyo. Nababal na,
You look so cute.
She's like Korean.
Oh, iwan ka na with mami. Go with mami, sama siya.
Dati dan. Okay, what do you like? Okay. Sika pa same.
Right. Let's go. Kapse, stay there.
Oh, you're gonna come here?
Just leave it there. Okay lang. Okay, stay there. Stay there. Did si Pina ba?
Yeah, she peed in the hallway.
Okay, yeah. Kapse, stay there. Diba? Okay, wait. I'm gonna come there. Okay, kape-kape muna tayo at hinihintay namin yung kasama namin.
Look at cupcake ko in the
Kapse.
middle.
How come you're like that every time? Huh? You're like excited. Huh?
Panting.
Huh? Just lay down. Tanggalin mo kasi yung unang bait para may special dyan na, oh. Mahaba-haba ang biyahe namin pa.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Kapse. Wala daw ito mga 7:21 na tanda ni Alman.
JD, can you reach the, yung lagay ng pagkain?
Girl, dance is so good.
Maraming biyahe, oh. Traffic.
Long way.
may madaanan tayong pwedeng magpipicture at mag-picture muna tayo.
Over here.
Oh my gosh.
Andyan lahat yan na picture mo. I think you want to see your singles.
Katie, we're so cute.
Ate, we look so
That's why ko
cute.
na ko, baba ka para makapag-picture. Tinatamad din minsan eh.
Ay, sorry. Nilibigay ko naman na lahat.
Wala. Okay.
Can I talk? I'll talk to him.
Yeah, put in the
Tell me why I'm
chat.
standing like this.
Of course, baby.
Oh,
I'm
maganda pa
sending
rin
them
pala
right
dito. Oh.
now.
Mas maganda rin pala dito. Oh.
Oh, girl, you
Tell me
look
why
so
I
young.
look like a little girl, bro. Maybe pigtails aren't the vibe right now.
Oh my gosh, Gel literally ate so bad in these pics.
Oh, kapsar, okay? Kapsar. Traffic. Toll gate. Traffic. Kailangan kasi ng toll gate dito. Kailangan ng gate pass. One day pass. Kasi balikan lang.
Ganda ni Aurora.
Oh. Oh.
Take the
Okay,
exit
exit.
on the right to Bow Valley Parkway toward Lake Louise, Lac Louise.
Kanina mo pa.
Yan.
Papanti ko.
Oh, hindi ko signal.
In 400 meters, turn left on Bow Valley Parkway.
Quezon, Manila, Louise.
Sana baka sa balikan na.
Green Lake, Lake Louise.
Turn left on Bow Valley Parkway. In 400 meters, turn right on Village Road.
Almost here, girls.
Okay, I think here is Lake Louise. I don't know, but we'll see.
Turn right on Village Road.
Hindi natin washroom. Mga tali, sila kaya tapag washroom. Okay, washroom muna tayo and then let's find kung saan tayo kakain.
You guys gonna eat first?
Di ba
Washroom muna tayo
sa
ako.
van tayo kakain?
I'm gonna take a nap.
Bakit alas 12? Medyo makaisbodam na ko rin ha.
I'm fine.
Ano ba is van?
Ay, nandiyan pag siya.
Okay, shell ko.
Hindi siguro pag-rurante ko.
Where's the shell?
Where? Where's the seal na ko? Here, right?
You said shell.
Oh,
there.
Yeah, okay. Siguro mushroom na. Okay, we'll see. Kung saan yung mushroom dito. Okay, go find na yung mushroom na ko. Kasi I don't know either. Okay, dito na kami sa Lake Louise at titingin muna ng
Ija yan, tilay ko makaadati washroom ija yan.
Yay. Okay, dito muna kami. Nawa-washroom na tong mga kasama ko. Okay, go. Sa tet magkita tayo tapos panganan. Ag-washroom tayo sa tayo mangan sa tayo tapos jay. Oo. Okay, orda. Yeah. No, naway ati oras di
Tapos 4 hours to mga Japawi na.
Wala. Sa pwede na Miss Borod. Ayun, nakita ba ng Mau?
Diyan lugar.
Okay, nyati ko na da.
Yung maano sa tala.
Yung makapagparadaan dito. Di tatay lang ako, mata nagtatay lang arudan.
Turn left, then turn right onto the ramp.
Hindi siya din niya. Hindi siya dito. Yung part tayo lang kumadyan. Ewan, paradaan.
At least she ate a little.
Kabundukan ng Lake Louise. Traffic.
Doon?
Maraming
Ina?
namamasyal.
Not to connect this.
Mga bundok, puro puto. Kain tayo. Gugutom na kami. Ako pala.
Continue straight, then turn left at bus only.
Ito na ang Lake Louise. Traffic. So, yung hotel niya.
Ano yung may sumunod?
Problema ito ba walang pagkadahan? Ito ang paradahan. Yan. Di ba hindi ka naman nag-park tayo sa ating... Ay, dyan nga ito sa pagparadahan siguro. Magtanong tayo kung saan tayo pwedeng mag-park dito.